Okay, came back with another video. Let me put this blower off, guys. Well, here I have some catfish fillets here that I baked in the oven. Garlic pepper, soul food season, parsley, minced onion, lemon pepper, and then I did lemon juice and butter. And then before I put the fish fillets in the pan first, and then I put olive oil, organic olive oil. I always keep some in here just to put in my pans when I cook. This is what I'm gonna do later on the grill. I might bake some. Right now I'm just thinking of just grilling some of these shrimp here. And then I saved I don't know if you can see them in there, but it's 3 catfish fillets in here that I'm gonna grill. This what it came in right here. Kroger brand boneless and skinless catfish. So that's what I made, and I just left me 3 to grill. It say 2 pounds. I guess that was 2 pounds. It probably was 2 pounds frozen. You know, when they get it to you frozen. So, and this the side. I mix garden classic onion, green bell pepper with some leaf lettuce that I bought. I just layered it up with leaf lettuce, garden classic, onion, green tomato, bell peppers all the way up to the top. So that's the salad there. I'm going to show you how it looks because I don't know the name of it. I'm just saying leaf lettuce. Oh, okay. It's called Baby Spring Mix. Balanced, metally, and tender baby lettuce and baby greens. So that's what it is. I said leaf lettuce, but now we know. This is my sliced and diced that I'm going to add to my shrimp. Sliced up some small portobello mushroom, sliced and diced some red onions, and then I also had the green bell peppers and green tomatoes, but it went off into my other meal. The side right here. Broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, green bell pepper, green tomato, red onion, butter, seasoned with the same season that I said that I put on the fish, except the lemon. I did add butter in here because it was frozen when I put the veggies in here. So that's my side right there, a vegetable blend, baked catfish fillets. As always, the Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. The Lord be for me, who can be against me? Love you guys. Happy Tuesday. Bye-bye.